Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 46, topic Unit Operations. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. This type of pump is only used for moving liquids and pastes. Options: A. Single screw pump, B. Double screw pump, C. Rotary gear pump, D. None of the options. Correct answer: C. Rotary gear pump. Question number 2. Foods are heated by dash. Options: A. Conduction, B. Convection, C. Radiation, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 3. Eggs are separated from spoiled eggs by the method known as dash. Options: A. Calorimetry, B. Candling, C. Conching, D. Withering. Correct answer: B. Candling. Question number 4. Dash is used for disintegration of fat globules in milk or cream from large globules and clusters into minute globules. Options: A. Crystallization, B. Winnowing, C. Homogenization, D. None of the options. Correct answer: C. Homogenization. Question number 5. Dash pump is best for moving food with large pieces without disintegration. Options: A. Single screw pump, B. External gear pump, C. Rotary gear pump, D. All of the options. Correct answer: A. Single screw pump. Question number 6. Dash is used to separate salt from seawater or sugar from sugarcane juice. Options: A. Solvent extraction, B. Homogenization, C. Steam distillation, D. Crystallization. Correct answer: D. Crystallization. Question number 7. Dash can be done with brushes, high velocity air, steam, water, etc. Options: A. Cleaning, B. Heating, C. Homogenization, D. All of the options. Correct answer: A. Cleaning. Question number 8. Dash is commercially used to extract caffeine from coffee to produce a decaffeinated product. Options: A. Supercritical fluid extraction, B. Steam distillation, C. Solvent extraction, D. None of the options. Correct answer: A. Supercritical fluid extraction. Question number 9. Dash is removal of water from liquid by heating to concentrate the product. Options: A. Drying, B. Conching, C. Evaporation, D. All of the options. Correct answer: C. Evaporation. Question number 10. Dash uses gases like CO2 at high pressure to extract or separate food components. Options: A. Supercritical fluid extraction, B. Steam distillation, C. Solvent extraction, D. None of the options. Correct answer: A. Supercritical fluid extraction. Question number 11. Brewed coffee and quality juice products are dehydrated by. Options: A. Spray drying, B. Freeze drying, C. Drum drying, D. All of the options. Correct answer: B. Freeze drying. Question number 12. Coffee is heated to. Options: A. Destroy microorganisms, B. Develop flavor, C. Inactivate toxic element, D. All of the options. Correct answer: B. Develop flavor. Question number 13. Cutting of vegetables or fruits into cubes is known as. Options: A. Grinding, B. Cubing, C. Dicing, D. None of the options. Correct answer: C. Dicing. Question number 14. Drying by subdividing foods as a thin film is commonly done in dash. Options A. Spray dryer, B. Cabinet dryer, C. Roller dryer, D. Both B and C. Correct answer D. Both B and C. Question number 15. Evaporation is used in options A. Salt from seawater production, B. Sugar crystallization, C. Candy making, D. All of the options. Correct answer B. Sugar crystallization. Question number 16. Food is packed for the purpose. Options A. To avoid contamination of food product, B. To avoid dirt insect invasion, C. Avoid product damage, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 17. For sterilization of cans, dash is used. Options A. Vertical retort, B. Plate type heat exchanger, C. Steam jacketed kettle, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Vertical retort. Question number 18. For the freezing of peas, beans and other vegetables, dash freezer is used. Options A. Plate freezer, B. Air blast freezer, C. Refrigerator, D. All of the options. Correct answer B. Air blast freezer. Question number 19. Operation which subdivide larger pieces of food into smaller units or particles is known as dash. Options A. Disintegration, B. Homogenization, C. Crystallization, D. None of the options. Correct answer A. Disintegration. Question number 20. Heating of food is done for. Options A. Destroy microorganisms, B. Flavor development, C. Inactivate the toxic element, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 21. Subdivision of liquid is the principle behind the widely used dash. Options A. Spray dryer, B. Roller dryer, C. Vacuum dryer, D. Cabinet dryer. Correct answer A. Spray dryer. Question number 22. The incorporation of CO2 into water is known as dash. Options A. Homogenization, B. Pasteurization, C. Carbonation, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Carbonation. Question number 23. The drying of food is done because to. Options A. To preserve the food, B. For convenience of food, C. For flavor development, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 24. The efficiency of mixing depends on the dash. Options A. Temperature, B. Pressure, C. Choice of mixing element, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Choice of mixing element. Question number 25. The food structure is not changed after drying in dash type of dryer. Options A. Spray dryer, B. Tunnel dryer, C. Drum dryer, D. Vacuum freeze dryer. Correct answer D. Vacuum freeze dryer. Question number 26. The oil from soybean is separated by options A. Solvent extraction, B. Homogenization, C. Steam distillation, D. Crystallization. Correct answer A. Solvent extraction. Question number 27. The process of pushing the dough through a barrel by giving shape through die under high pressure is known as. Options A. Extrusion cooking, B. Vacuum pressure cooking, C. Steam cooking, D. None of the options. Correct answer A. Extrusion cooking. Question number 28. The skins of fruits and vegetables may be separated using a dash. Options A. Shredder, B. Grater, C. Live peeler, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Live peeler. Question number 29. The use of material handling is to dash. Options A. Maintain sanitary conditions, B. Minimizing product loss, C. Maintaining raw material quality, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 30. This is one of the common operations in the food industry is the moving of liquids and solids from one location or processing steps to another. Options A. Pumping, B. Locomotion, C. Separation, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Pumping. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. One topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. Unacademy has started a free test series for 10th and 12th level prelims. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th and 12th level prelims exam to be held in 2021. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.